Assalamu alaikum viewers, today we'll cook masala bhuray tinday. Half kg tinday lenge or unpi cuts laga lane. For PS crush karain ka pani nikolain. Salt to taste, huldi 1 teaspoon, mirch 1 spoon, zeera half teaspoon, pisa dhania 1 spoon, ginger garlic paste. For green chili paste, kudi mirch half teaspoon. 1 lemon juice. Tindan ko filling ke bad slow flame pi fry karainge. It will cook on low flame for 15 minutes, so add a bit water so that they get tender. Leftover masala and yogurt add per day.